Hi friends, hope you're doing well, and this video is going to be very amazing because in this video I will guide you how you can upgrade your Windows 10 to latest Windows 11 26H1 latest build 26H1. This build is available inside the preview program of Microsoft official website, so you can download it from there. So let's start it. Let's start our upgrade. Let me show you the operating system. The current operating system is basically Windows 10, and we are going to perform a major upgrade over the Windows 10 machine, and we are going to download and install Windows 11 26H1. So let's start the video, and first of all you have to just open the Chrome browser. After that you have to just type the Windows 11 download, and once you click it, then you will have our official website. You can see that we have on for the public, we have version 25H2 is available for the public and anybody can download it. But if you want to download 26H1, which is the futuristic version, and a lot of update over there, and it will give you better performance as compared to the 25H2, because 25H2 is now older one, but obviously it is onto the public website on Microsoft website. So you can obviously you can download and install it, but we are going to perform installation over the 26H1 because 26H1 is more futuristic and Microsoft improved the performance, and it will give you best performance in terms of the slowness, and if we talk about the lagging issues. So in order to do so, you have to just click onto the Windows Inside Preview, and once you have this page, make sure you should have Microsoft account or any account like Outlook account or Hotmail account. If you don't have any account, just go on to the hotmail.com or outlook.com, and you can create a Microsoft free account and just put it over there, and you will be able to log in it. So once you there, then you have to click on this button. After that you will have a complete details of preview program, and you can read it as well for your knowledge. And if you scroll down it, at the bottom of the side you will have select the addition, so you can select. So we have a lot of builds over here that needs to be discussed. It is very important because we have experimental builds, beta builds, and these builds basically are experimental, and beta builds, even beta build is also count as an experimental build, because if you are going to plan any install any experimental or beta build, then I request you to install or recommend you to install onto the secondary computer or any test computer, so that you can explore the different types of features of Microsoft Windows 11. But if you are going to plan to install onto your main system, so don't do this. Don't do the experimental build, neither experimental build nor beta build. So let me show you the most mature version in the previous section, which is the 26H1. So let me show you the 26H1. You can see that this build is 2028. This build, let me show you. No, this one is the experimental build, and let me this one, release preview build 280001869 26H1. This is the build. It will be launched very soon from the Microsoft, and maybe in the next 1 month or 2 months you will get 26H1. So this is the build. This is almost mature, and you can apply onto your main system without any issue. So just click on it, confirm it, then you have to select the language. Then 64-bit download, and downloading will be start instantly. So I have already downloaded the ISO in order to perform the installation. So let me close it. Let me show you the ISO inside the C drive. It is available. I have already placed over there. You can see that this one is the build. So once you have this build, then after that you have to just open the command prompt, right click on it, run as administrator, navigate the folder, navigate the C drive or folder. Now you have to do one more thing. You have to extract the ISO before doing this. Let me show you inside the C drive, and you can create one folder like Win 11A, or latest, you can give any name. Move inside there. Now you have to right click on it and extract here. So it would take around 5 to 10 seconds and then it will be extracted. So it has been extracted, and after that you have to open command prompt, then navigate the folder, then you have to type setup // not configure, basically you have to type product server. Now you have to just hit enter and you will see that installation will be started. So you can see that installation has been started. So just go for the change in the update settings, and you can see that download updates and drivers optional, and it is recommended. Means during the installation, in parallel with the installation, update will also download it there and it will also be installed automatically. So we will update the system after the installation, not a big deal, because it will consume little time. But in your case, if you want to install the update in parallel with the primary installation, so you can keep check this option. So it will basically it is getting the things ready for you, and it will check the PC requirements as well after that. So now we have to accept the license. Now we have to keep files, settings and app as it is, because we are going to upgrade. We are not doing a fresh installation. We are going to upgrade our Windows 10 to Windows 11 by keeping all the data same without any data loss, and we are performing this installation without USB. So keep in mind. Next. Now it will take around 3 to 4 minutes, not more than that. Now we have the final step. Now just you have to press the install button. So installation has been started, and it would take around 30 to 45 minutes depending on your computer speed, and once it is done I will be back. So guys, Windows 11 26H1 has been installed successfully, and you can check out that all is good, working fine, and everything is working perfectly. So thank you so much for watching this video, and hit the bell icon, forward to your family and friends. Stay safe, and most importantly guys, kindly push the bell icon so that you can get the notification of my latest videos. Thank you. Bye bye. See you.